Good morning, everyone. Want to take a look at the Dow Jones, the US30 YM contract, and so the stock market, basically, right? So let's dive into the analysis and possible trades. So first of all, this is a daily. The daily is, as you can see, we have an inverted head and shoulders, shoulder, head, shoulder. However, we also had this. At the peak, we also had the head and shoulders here, shoulder, head, shoulder, with a slanted neckline. We broke out, as you can see here, retested it, went down, but then rallied hard. So what's going to happen next? Well, if this head and shoulders now gets triggered, the inverted one, we need to obviously take out the neckline here. So for that to happen, though, I think we can easily also see more downside if to gather more interest before we rally. So, with all the fundamentals obviously pointing to the opposite, that not to the rally, but to the more downside, this is quite possible. So, and then we have on an hour, 1 hour, or 4 hour also the head and shoulders here. So, this is reversal of after reversal after reversal, right? So, as you can see, um, shoulder, head, shoulder, right? So we are right at the resistance here. We are either coiling up to have an explosive move to the next resistance, which is 35,200 from the daily, basically. To let me actually go to the daily. So basically, if we take out this trend line here, I think that's the next stop, this neckline. 200 and then the neckline. So, however, if we start, this is a 4 hour chart, and we have a bullish, as you can see, trying to cross momentum into the bullish territory. However, this bar doesn't close for another 30 minutes and can still close on the downside in 30 minutes. So, we'll see what happens. However, if we start making a lower low and we take out this level here, so if we go this, and then a breakout, I can sell a breakout here, breakdown. As you can see, but we can also chop around. But before, basically at this point, I need to have a close above here or below here, and after we have a breakout or a breakdown, I will be entering the trades for Dow. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is right at the took out the support here, as you can see, and we're retesting the backside, lower side, backside of it, and we can also roll over. On a daily, Nasdaq just switched momentum from positive to negative right here. So unusually, when it happens, it's a sustained move. Also, there's a technique to trade the crossover moving average. When you have a crossover like this, usually the first retest of the ATMA, you can sell it, and it's going to do another dip before price develops otherwise. So definitely, this is not looking like bullish to me for now, at least. So the Nasdaq confirming. Oops, one sec. I'll remove that. So basically, here we are in the range. We rallied hard, then we sold off. Then yesterday we rallied. I'm on the sidelines with Nasdaq because we can either see it retest this order block here and go up to mid 14,000, or we roll over and sell off here. So S&P, similar situation. So the cleanest picture that I see is on the US30 on YM. If you trade futures, why? Well, because you have a pretty you have very defined uh, type of risk here, right? So either we take out this high and we rally, or we stay uh, in the downtrend and we take out the low, making a lower low, and we can sell then. This could also easily develop into a simple range. So this is range here and the bottom range. So we can easily retest this bottom range right here, like so, and do whatever. But we can still be in a ranging market here, barred some news come out and something happens. So if we are trading in this range right here, we can then sell again the breakdown of the price action and target these range lows on US30. So this is what I'm looking at. Again, if we have an hourly close above, though, I'm going to be a buyer, and I'll be targeting this daily trend line. Hope it helps. As always, stop by our free Telegram group if interested in more. Um, Enjoy the rest of the trading week.